Let us understand the step-by-step process of shortlisting supplier and releasing purchase order in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Shortlist Supplier form under the Purchase Management module. System will automatically redirect to the Comparative Statement form. To generate comparative statement for the supplier, click on Details. You can view supplier and project details such as company name, project name, quotation and project address. The system automatically highlights the lowest quote in yellow, and all other suppliers are displayed in green for easy comparison. You can view the item-wise quotation details such as item description, quantity, unit, basic rate, amount. Click on Details to view the brand, basic rate, discount, freight and net amount. You can use Shortlist and compare supplier using two methods. First is Select by Supplier, where the system selects the supplier with overall lowest quote. Second method is Select by Item, where system selects supplier with lowest rate per item. Click on the Remarks icon. Click on Add and enter any remarks if applicable, then close. To view comparison details in a summary table, click on the Summary icon. You can view details such as item, quantity, brand, supplier name, quoted rate and difference amount. Click on Print to view and print the comparison summary in a PDF format. The approved record will be automatically removed from the comparative statement table. To view the approved order, go to the Purchase Order form under the Purchase Management module. You can check the approved records under the Records section. You can view details of the lowest quoted rate by supplier under the Comparison Statement tab. The process of shortlisting supplier and releasing purchase order is now complete.